Hey everyone, I've got a wild story to share with you today. Have you ever wondered what it would be like if you stumbled upon a celebrity in the most unexpected place? Well, imagine walking through the bustling streets of Bangkok, Thailand and seeing, wait for it, Keanu Reeves, or rather someone who looks just like him. Meet Somchai, a local Thai man whose striking resemblance to the Hollywood star Keanu Reeves has not only turned heads but also gone viral across social media. But there's a twist. He's not in movies, he's washing dishes and selling street food. Now picture this. Somchai with his long hair and mysterious demeanor flipping noodles at a street cart by day and scrubbing pans by night. It's a sight that has locals and tourists alike doing double takes. The internet has lovingly dubbed him the Thai Keanu, and videos of him have racked up millions of views. People just can't get enough of this doppelganger's down-to-earth charm. But what's truly captivating is Somchai's humble attitude amidst this viral fame. When asked about his newfound popularity, he simply smiles and says, "I'm just happy to make people smile with my food." It's his passion for cooking and serving others that shines, proving that sometimes it's the simple things in life that make us the happiest. And let's not forget the reactions from his customers. From bewildered stares to playful selfies, the crowd around his food cart is always buzzing. Tourists often joke about having their meals served by a Hollywood star, and Somchai plays along with a nod and a mysterious smile, much like the real Keanu might. So, what can we take away from this incredible story? Maybe it's that in a world full of celebrities and viral stars, there's something refreshing about someone who remains grounded. Somchai, despite his likeness to a famous actor, chooses to make his mark in a simple, joyful way through his street food. It's a reminder that sometimes being yourself is enough to capture the world's attention. So, next time you're munching on street food in Thailand, keep your eyes peeled. You might just have a brush with the Thai Keanu, a star in his own right, lighting up the world one dish at a time. That's it for today, folks. If you love this incredible tale of Thailand's Keanu Reeves look-alike, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share this video. You never know who might need a little bit of Somchai's inspiring story in their day. Catch you in the next video.